Hi there, welcome back to this channel. As you can see in the screen, we are going to build a task management software, and let me give you a tour of our application. So as you can see here, we have a beautiful UI and we have pagination. It works great. You can go back to the first page. Also, you can search by keyword, for example, task. We're gonna have all the result with that contain the task. Also search by new, so you see the result and go back home. Also you can filter by priority. For example, priority normal, you see the icon and the color yellow. Priority medium, you can see it is orange. Priority high, you see it's red. Priority low, you see it's blue. And after that, back to normal. And also you can filter by project status, and you can see all the posts that contains this filter. Also, as you can see, filter by the tasks that are in progress. You see we have only 3, and you can filter by more than one filter, as you can see in the screen. And also you can clear the filter. Also, let's register. We have the register screen. Also, if you already have an account, you can sign in. And if you forget your password, you can reset your password in the screen. So if your email was registered in the database, as you can see, you will receive an email in your email box. Okay, as you can see, we have just received an email, and we're gonna use for this purpose Mailtrap to test this functionality. Also, the link will expire in 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can no longer do that. You have to resend the link. And let's reset our password and update it, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, and press the button. As you can see, we have confirmation that our password was updated. And from now, you can go to the login screen to log in. Let's add our email and password. Press the button. As you can see, I am currently in the admin dashboard. As you can see, we have start reports. Okay, we have graphs. Okay, you can open and close the sidebar. This is the tasks list. That has also pagination. You can create a new task. So let's create one test task and add some fake text lorem ipsum. You can add you can choose the priority, and the status by default is created. You can always choose another and assign the task to someone. In our case, it was Maria, and as you can see, the task was created successfully. Now let's edit the task. The task what was updated. Also, you can delete a task in the pop-up screen and delete. As you can see, everything is working great. Here in the screen, you have all the users in our application. You can update, delete, all the CRUD operation. Okay, but this time we are not going to delete. Okay, and back to dashboard. Okay, so after this, we are going to log out. Before, let's grab this email, because this is a normal user. Okay, so now let's log in with a regular user, like I've just said, and lobster at gmail.com. Okay, so this is the user dashboard. Okay, and plain functionality, open and close sidebar. So these tasks belong only to this user, I mean Maria. And also Maria can edit, I mean, his her information, and she can only update the task status, only that. For example, if the task is in progress, okay, as you can see, successfully um, update the task, and log out. So now let's see what the content of it. Task management software. This will be in two parts. Part one will be Node.js with TypeScript. We are going to use advanced MongoDB query, MongoDB aggregation, and this is the content. Okay, forget and reset password with mail trap, and the front end part, the part two will be with React with the toolkit. Okay, so this is it with the VS Code. So, guys, that's it for this lesson. In our next video, we are going to start with the backend part like we have just seen in the screen. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.